Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start with two prerequisites: admin access and a verified backup of any files still in OneDrive. Once you have those, right-click the OneDrive icon in the system tray and choose Quit. This stops syncing so files won't change mid-uninstall. If the icon isn't visible, open Task Manager, find Microsoft OneDrive, and end task. Make sure syncing has stopped before proceeding, because removing the app without quiescing it can leave partial sync data behind. Now uninstall OneDrive through Settings, right arrow apps and Features. Find Microsoft OneDrive, select Uninstall, and confirm. Once the uninstaller finishes, open Task Manager to ensure no OneDrive processes remain. Then remove leftover folders in %local app data %Microsoft \OneDrive and %user profile %OneDrive if you won't use them. If you're comfortable, use regedit to remove HKCU. Finish by restarting your PC. That clears any in-memory handles and finalizes file deletions. After reboot, verify your local folders and NTFS permissions are intact and recreate any folder links you need. If OneDrive reappears or continues to auto-install, run OneDrive with the reset command. Type OneDrive/reset and run. Wait a minute. If it restarts, then uninstall again. If issues persist, check group policy or company installer scripts. Those can force reinstallations and must be adjusted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.